So if you remember in my TikTok, if you watch them, you might remember this. Would you like to join the Bacon Grenstruppen team to destroy the Bunbun girls? Yes. Okay. I'm gonna go on the computer. Holy shit, that's a lot of Bunbun girls. Bacon.
Geht durch die Welt ein Geflüster.
It was called Bacons vs Bunbuns. The Bacons had a flag, and it looks like this. But the Bunbuns didn't, so I made one, and I looks like this. It had two symbols and a photo of the leader. It was a star and the Soviet symbol. But they didn't have a ease alarm, also called emergency alert, like on your TV. If you live in the UK or USA, you hear the loud beep. The Bacons have one, and it sounds like this. The Bunbuns don't have one, so I'll make one. But I'll make a other ease alarm every year. In Spanish, it's ano. Bye everyone.